Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is going to be a video about how you can make $5 over and over and over, a repetitive process. The limitations, there are no limitations to about how much you can make from this. So it's of course another referral type ordeal, and the way it works is however many people you know or you can get to know is the limitations to how much money you can make from this. So Cash App, if you've never heard of it, is it's kind of like a banking process that handles the exchange for you without having to go directly to your bank. They offer you a free card in the mail that they'll send you. We scroll down, you'll see what it looks like right here. You put your little signature on the bottom. You get to write your own signature when you sign up and get your account done, and they'll ship you off that card in the mail within like 2 to 3 days, absolutely free. And it works as a normal debit card. This is the best thing about Cash App is they will have you link your real debit card, but they will never charge your bank anything. They won't charge your debit card. They won't charge your bank. The only time they will charge you is if you have money on your Cash App. So it's kind of like I guess you could say a little safe system when you want to go out and shop and you don't want somebody to charge you more than you expect to spend. Let's say, like on the picture, you had an idea of spending only $35 today. Well, then, boom, there you go. You put it on your Cash App. If somebody tries to charge you $36, it's going to get declined. They're not going to take a single amount from your bank. And the way you put money on your Cash App is through your bank, so that's the cool part about it. You do it through your bank card. And also you can deposit back to your bank through your card, which it could be instant or it could be a one-day process if you want no fees. And the fee is only like 1%. So anyway, back to the whole $5 process, how you can keep making $5. It's going through the referral process like always. Right now, with me, I want to walk you through how you can make $5 using my code, because you don't get anything if you don't have a code at all. So you're going to make $5 using my code, and then after you make $5 in my code, you're going to take your code and you're going to go and get people to sign up through this same method I'm going to show you, because you're going to have to explain what I explain to you to them, if you get what I mean. So when you start off, there is going to be a link down there in the description. I want you guys to click on it. It's going to say wrote it in a little notepad just to show you guys right here. I wrote twice. This is the code. It's going to be in the description, cash.me app, and it has my, this is my code right there, the HGN, that's my whole full-on Cash App referral code. And you're going to click on this, you're going to click on that link, or you're going to type it in on your computer or on your phone, because you only can sign up on your phone. So if you have an Android or you have an iPhone, you can just type it in on your phone. And this is the important part, because if you don't get this code and put it in throughout the later steps, you won't get anything for signing up. You'll just sign up and give them free business without getting anything back. So the whole important part is to make sure you sign up through the code. So when you do that, you're gonna see on the left side, I'm gonna put this up here for you guys. This is the iPhone version. I do not have an Android to show you guys, but it should look similar. So let's go ahead and scroll this back up to the top. So on the left side, you're gonna see join Christopher Smith on Cash App, something like that, and you're gonna see my code. It's gonna say get the app. You're going to go ahead and click on get the app. You don't have to. You can't copy the code if you want to, or you can take a picture, screenshot it, however you want to go about it, or just look back at the point where I showed you, or look in the description. There's so many ways you can look at the code. So anyway, you're going to do that, and it's going to show you the benefits down below it. What you can do with Cash App if you want to do that. You can do that. Like, you can read that. I mean. But then it's going to take you to the like I said, I don't have an Android, but with an iPhone, it takes you to the App Store. And it's going to have, download. For me, I had update because I apparently didn't update it, which I just updated it now. So you're going to update your, not update, you're going to download it because you don't have it. And after you download it, you're going to get prompted with a screen like this. Welcome to Cash. You're going to enter either your mobile number or your email, however you want to sign up. I just did my email. It's easier. So you're going to sign in, put your email in, and it's going to send you a confirmation code. It's going to be something like this. I used one of my random emails here. So you're going to get that code. You're going to enter it on this screen. And then it's going to ask you to add a bank using your debit card. So whatever debit card you have for your bank, or I guess any debit card in general, I just use my bank debit card because it's the easiest one for me. When I first got this app, it wasn't about making $5. It was so that I can use their card instead of having to use my bank card, because I'm very, very, very kind of picky where I use my bank card. I don't like using my bank card in a lot of places. So when I found out this app handles it like a bank, you give them you put your debit card up here, and then they give you a card, which you can do transactions by taking money from your bank whenever you want to and putting it up there, I was all stoked for that. So you're gonna put your debit bank card in there, and then after you get the correct card, it'll tell you if it accepts that card or not. It's gonna have you put in your first and last name. You're gonna go past that page, and you're gonna get your cash tag. Now your cash tag is how people can give you money, and how basically just your unique ID, as it says up here. You're gonna design a unique cash ID, and you don't have to worry about if it's already taken, because it'll tell you if it's already taken. So try to think of something off the top of the head that's really unique, because you'll be spending like 5 to 10 minutes here trying to think of a cash tag, like I was when I was just trying to use my name, because I just wanted my name, and I realized, okay, too many people use Cash App for me just to have my names, you know. So Chris is kind of taken. But after you get your cash tag, it's going to take you over to a screen where it tells you can invite your friends, and this is what we're doing here right now. You can invite your friends for $5. And you can go ahead and do that right now. You got anybody you know that wants to do it, or you can wait to the end of the video to see how the whole process works. And you'll get $5, and you know the person that you're sending it to gets $5. That's the whole point of this. So that's what it says. It's important that you remember that code, because if you don't, nobody gets $5. So this is the screen. Like I said, this is for iPhone again. This is what you'll be prompted to, and you'll see at the top left-hand corner a picture of like a little person. You're gonna click on that, or you're just gonna try to find your profile section, which will take you over here where it displays your it takes you to a part where it's gonna display your name and all that. And you're gonna scroll down to the very bottom where it has sign out, support, and all that. You'll see reward code. Like I said, when you're doing this to make your $5, when you're giving out your code, you're gonna want to make sure that the person that is doing this goes to this part, because if they don't do this, nobody gets $5. You're gonna click on the reward code, and it's going to prompt you to the screen here. Please enter your reward code. The code that I kept showing you guys constantly were, you know, up there, and I can pull it up again for you guys so you can see it. You're going to enter this code right here. When you enter the HGNHNLB right there, it's going to give you a prompt message saying, okay, send your first $5 in order to receive $5. And what that means is whenever you send your first $5 to anyone, it could be, you can literally just make another account and send it to yourself and then send it right back or whatever. But whenever you send your first $5 anywhere, they will give you $5. So I personally would just recommend either getting a friend to go ahead and sign up with your code, send him $5, and then have him send it back, and you will right then make $10 because you just used my code, which gives you $5, and you just had him sign up with your code. That makes you another $5. That's $10 that you just made right there, and you got your $5 back. So you lost nothing. It's not like a loss type of thing. So, or you can just make another account and send it to yourself. Just send yourself $5. The moment you send $5, it's going to say, awesome, you just rewarded. You've been rewarded $5. Do this to claim your $5 or something like that. It's going to say like if you haven't entered a debit card, because I believe you can skip that step. It's going to tell you to put your debit card in, because you have to have a debit card before they want to give you their $5. So make sure you have your debit card no matter what. That is the most important part of this whole thing, and that's how you can keep making $5. So you see the process now. You sign up through my link, and you use my code. You sign up. You do that code that gives you $5. It gives me $5. So it's a team process. And you send the moment you send $5 anywhere, it doesn't matter. You can send it to yourself. You put $5 on your Cash App, then you send $5 over to your other account, or you send $5 over to your friend that you just got to sign up, and then that right there will give you your $5. You'll get a message for not Swipe Bucks. I do Swipe Bucks so much, but Cash App, and it'll say, here's your $5, yada yada yada. And if they signed up under you and send it back to you, then it's going to tell them the same thing. Here's your $5. It's going to send both of you guys $5. So that's the whole important part. So if you have any questions on how Cash App works, or if you need any help with it, just let me know in the comments, or message me or whatever, and I will help you guys do it, because it's a team effort. If you guys don't get your $5, I don't get my $5. So I want you guys to learn how to get $5, and it's a cool process to go through, because then you're promoting the business of Cash App, because Cash App is a really good business. You're bringing in more customers, because once you start using Cash App, trust me, it's not going to be just about the $5. You're going to want to actually take the cash card, put your signature up there, use your cash card anywhere in the world, use it to buy stuff and all that. I'm telling you, Cash App is so much better than using a credit card or your bank card, just because no matter what, nobody can get over on you charging some surprise fees. You put what you want on your Cash App, and if it's more than what's up there, they automatically get declined. and no money is lost. So you don't have to worry about trying to say you were overcharged, or hey, I didn't want this, I didn't want this in my Hulu trial or something, But that's been the video. I'm not going to keep talking. I talk too much sometimes, but that's been the video. So if you guys, like I said, have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, or message me or whatever. And you guys have a great day.